harmful ingredients to avoid in your child's food. Welcome back everyone. Today let's talk about 8 harmful ingredients to keep off your child's plate. Are you ready? Let's begin. When it comes to choosing food for children, it's important to avoid certain specific ingredients that may not be beneficial for their health. Here are some key ingredients to watch out for. 1. High fructose corn syrup, HFCS. This sweetener is commonly found in many processed foods, especially sodas, candy, and snacks. Research suggests that HFCS can increase the risk of obesity and metabolic disorders. For example, a typical can of soda can contain around 30 to 40 grams of HFCS, contributing significantly to daily sugar intake.
Yeah!
2. Artificial food colorings. Ingredients like red 40 and yellow 5 are prevalent in many candies, drinks, and even some cereals. Studies have indicated a potential link between these colorings and hyperactivity in children. A well-known example is brightly colored sugary cereals aimed at kids, which often contain multiple artificial colorings. 3. Trans fats. Found in many processed foods, trans fats are created through the hydrogenation process and are often listed as partially hydrogenated oils. They are known to increase LDL, bad cholesterol, and decrease HDL, good cholesterol, negatively affecting heart health. An example includes many types of commercially baked pastries and fried foods from fast food chains. Four. Artificial sweeteners. Substances like aspartame and sucralose are widely used in diet, sodas and sugar-free desserts. While they help reduce caloric intake, their long-term effects on children's health are still under investigation. For instance, diet sodas marketed to children often contain these sweeteners, raising concerns about the potential impacts. Five. Sodium nitrate, nitrite. These preservatives are commonly used in processed meats like hot dogs and bacon to enhance flavor and improve shelf life. There are concerns regarding their potential carcinogenic effects when consumed in large quantities. For example, a common hot dog contains nitrates, especially when paired with processed cheese or other meats in kids' meals. 6. BHA and BHT, butylated hydroxyanisole and butylated hydroxytoluene. These synthetic antioxidants are used to preserve the freshness of processed snacks and cereals. They can sometimes cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. A typical example includes snack chips or breakfast cereals that list BHA or BHT among their ingredients. 7. MSG, monosodium glutamate, often used as a flavor enhancer. MSG can be found in many processed foods and snacks, including instant noodles, canned soups, and savory snacks. Some children may experience headaches or allergic reactions after consuming MSG-rich products. For example, many fast food items might contain MSG to enhance their savory flavors. 8. Dextrose and maltodextrin. Both are carbohydrates often used as fillers in processed snacks, cereals, and even health foods. They can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which can be problematic, particularly for children or those with insulin sensitivity. A common example would be granola bars that list maltodextrin as one of their main ingredients, contributing to higher sugar levels in the body. Focusing on whole, minimally processed foods can help ensure that children receive the nutrition they need while avoiding these potentially harmful ingredients. By being mindful of these ingredients, you can help promote better health for your children. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about 8 harmful ingredients to avoid in your child's food. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.